Hello students, welcome back. Today we're going to study the sound of the letter E. Now you're going to need both hands and an imaginary egg. And you tap it, eh. Eh. You're opening the egg, eh. Well done. Our first word is E-G-G. E-G-G. Egg. Egg. The next word is E-M-P-T-Y. E-M-P-T-Y. Empty. Empty. Oh no, my water bottle is empty and I'm so thirsty I don't have any more water. Next word, E-N-D. E-N-D. End. End. And they all lived happily ever after. The end. Next word, S-H-E-D. S-H-E-D. Shed. Shed. A shed is a small little building that you keep things in, like firewood or gardening supplies outside of your house. The last word, T-E-N-T. T-E-N-T. Tent. Tent. Have you ever been camping? Did you sleep in a tent? Well done.